In this question, we've been given a parabola, f of x equals x squared, and mn is some point on that parabola. So what I've done is drawn the parabola, x squared in green, and randomly put some point mn on this graph. Okay, so that's it could be any point on the graph, so I'm just putting it right there. And we need to figure out what happens, where does that coordinate end up when we do a vertical expansion of a horizontal shift of p, and a vertical shift of q. So first thing is I'm going to just take this graph here, the red one. It's the exact same as the one in green. So if I put it there, it's exactly the same. And we're going to shift it over p. So I'm just going to do a horizontal shift of p there. So now that coordinate compared to the original m coordinate is just shifted to the right p. So that point I'm just going to write as plus p. Okay, so there's my vertical or my horizontal shift. Now what's going to happen next is going to be happening on the y. So anything on the outside of that square affects the y. So it's going to be a vertical expansion and then a shift up q. And it's going to happen in that particular order. So when I take that same parabola, I'm going to vertically expand it by a. Okay, so that means that that coordinate n here, the coordinate is here, and let's say I doubled it. Now it's at a coordinate. It's at a position 2 times further away from the x-axis. So we're going to say that that is 2n. And furthermore, we're now going to shift it up. We're going to take that 2n coordinate. So at this point, it's at a y coordinate of 2n. And we're going to shift it up q. Okay, so it's now gone from a point of 2n, and we've increased it by 2, so we're going to increase it by q, so we're going to add q to that coordinate. So now that shifted graph now has been horizontally moved over, so we get it a coordinate at plus p for the horizontal m. And then for the vertical, we expanded it first to get the 2n position, so 2 times n, and then we'll shift it up q after the fact.